The feeling of buying your first home is incredible. That's the feeling you will never forget in your life. Welcome to 206 Vogel Street. This immaculate property offers you 3 generous-sized bedrooms, an open-plan living and dining with great outdoor space. Don't forget, there's also a double garage with internal access. Go in, check it out.
When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. And you feel like you got nowhere else to go.
So make it yours. Give me a call to arrange your private viewing or come to the open home. My name is S. Jetli from Property Brokers, Palmerston, Indian.